Turning your engine 8V10, engine turn. The engine is turning good. Compressor here is good, no damage, no broken. Same as well the alternator here, if you can see, everything is good, no problem. On top, everything is good, didn't see any damages. Same as well the gearbox from this side, all good. And the turbo also good, didn't see any damages from outside here. Everything is good. And down here the oil sump and the gearbox also good, no damage, no broken. And the starter also good, no problem, no damages. You can see from this side, yes. And the engine is turning good.